Hello everyone, welcome to Points of Pharma. Today the topic is label artwork of nutraceuticals. In fact, the topic is checklist for the label content of nutraceuticals and the related product. The content of label of nutraceuticals and the related product can be divided in three categories. The content which are required on the front of the pack, the content which are allowed on the front or back of the pack, and the content that may be placed on the front of pack, back, or in the leaflet. We will discuss these three, but first we will know the disclaimer. This presentation is intended solely for educational and illustrative purpose. The interpretation of concept should be made in consultation with the expert. For detail, please refer to the relevant guidelines or regulation. Now coming to the content which are required on the front of the pack. In fact, these are the mandatory element for immediate visibility. Here four types of content are required. The first one is name of the product. The regulations say every package of food shall bear the name of the product on the front of the pack. After the name, the second very important information required is veg or non-veg declaration. The vegetarian or non-vegetarian declaration on the food label is mandatory to ensure transparency and respect for consumer choice. The regulations say every package of food shall bear the symbol for the declaration of vegetarian or non-vegetarian nature of the product. The symbol for vegetarian food is a green colored feed circle inside a square with green outline, whereas the symbol for non-vegetarian food is a brown colored feed triangle inside a square with brown outline. The regulation says these symbols shall be displayed just close to the name or brand name of the product on the front of the pack. The third information which are required on the front of the pack is about the category of the product. We know the nutraceutical and the related product are categorized as health supplement, nutraceutical, food for a special dietary use, food for a special medical purpose, and prebiotic probiotic food. The regulations say the applicable category name must be printed in the capital and bold letter and placed immediately next to the product name or brand name on the front of the pack. The fourth information required on the front of the pack is about target consumer group. The regulations say a prominent statement indicating the target consumer group or the age group should be there on the front of the pack. So these are the four information which are required on the front of the pack. Now come to the content which are allowed on front or back of the pack. In fact, these are flexible and may appear where the space and design permit, but it does not mean that these are less important. These are equally important, but there is flexibility that they may appear where the space and the design permit. Here the first information is about the ingredient and the second one is about the nutritional information. how to write the ingredient and how to write the nutritional information. These are discussed in detail. We will discuss separately these two. After the ingredient and nutritional information, the information required here is about the instruction for use. The regulation says the label should bear the information regarding the recommended use level as number of serve and quantity per serve per age group, and also have a statement not to exceed the recommended daily use. In addition to these, the label must also have the duration of use where applicable and the advisory with excess consumption in case where a danger may exist with excess consumption. After the instruction for use, the fourth information required here is warning and precaution, and here you have to give the allergen information because many food product causes allergen. You have also right to side effect or contraindication or drug interaction which are applicable. In addition to this, you have also give about the storage condition, and here you have also write separately this product is required to be stored out of reach of children. So these are some of the information which may be placed on the front or back of the pack. The remaining information which are required on the front or the back of the pack are cautions or declaration. The regulations say every nutraceutical and related product must prominently display the statement not for medicinal use in bold and capital letter on the label unless specifically exempted under these regulations. In addition to this, you have also write a statement. This product is not to be used as a substitute for varied diet, but this is not applicable in case of food for a special dietary use and food for a special medicinal purpose. The next information is about the first FSSI logo license number. In addition to this, you have to give other information like net quantity, batch number, date of marking means date of manufacture and date of expiry or use by date. Consumer care detail, here you have to give the name of the office or the persons which can be contacted, mobile number, email ID. The label also has the manufacturer and marketer detail, and it also have the price and unit sale price. So these are about 13 information which may be placed on the front or back of the pack. In addition to this, there are certain information which may be placed on front, back or leaflet, and these are amount of the nutrient with physiological and detailed information. This is all about today's topic. Hope you enjoyed the session. Soon we will meet with another topic. Thank you.